Welcome Pisces, it's July. Now, total solar eclipse on the 2nd. It's all about the dragon right now, the serpent, and transforming. And using those energies of the total solar eclipse to really show the universe, Mother Earth, that we've learned and we let go of what's negative and we really continue to add and create with our positive charge to have our best lives. Have our best lives now. Let's see what's happening. Spirituality with the Hierophant and the Prince of Cups, expressive. And what I really feel like is you are really expressing your spirituality right now. It's your driving force forward. You're connected to your heart, but you really want to express with it. You want to create with it. I really feel like you want this to be where you're going. What you want to cultivate. And it's beautiful. I really feel like you're having a lot of third eye activations, which is allowing you to allow a lot more light into your crown because you really want to create with your cup. I really feel like you really feel called to apply your wisdom. Maybe you even want to study right now, our ancients. And this is getting you in flow. This is getting you back to your natural self. I feel so happy right now. But what I do feel like is that you're in some sadness, but then you're in happiness. And then you're in some sadness, and then you're in happiness. You're flip-flopping right now a little bit. But I do believe that what's going to happen right now is really going to help even us out and keep us even more in flow. All right, we have the Truth, Princess of Swords, and the Chariot with the Prince of Wands. Now, this is incredible. So far, every single reading has been connected to the moon. Only 2 of them have been connected directly to Cancer. That's Leo and now Pisces. So the moon is hanging with Cancer. And this is forward motion. This is Metatron's cube. So this is really, really an incredible reading. So what you're doing here is you're speaking your truth. And I really feel like in a very creative fashion, in a way that you are connecting to the cosmos, that makes you feel alive, that allows you to actually really embody that rainbow light. I feel like this is like for you a chance to really get your chakras to even flow within a whole new level with the Chariot being here. This is creating with Metatron's cube, connecting to our ancients' wisdom, heart chakra for sure. But this is because solar plexus, this has to do with solar plexus right now. Keep healing and keep your solar plexus in flow and connected to your heart, and as well as your sacral chakra. But I really feel like it's mostly about solar plexus right now. And that's like our second brain, our gut. And what really goes into us is very important too. You know, we want to have high vibe foods. We want to do the best we can to get our water intake too. I know, you know, we can just do the best we can. But there's going to be forward motion for you. And I don't know how to say it. It's like connected to the stars. And it's about harmony, but it's a harmony that was created through a purification, I feel like, from within. And it was through a darkness, and almost like, that's why I feel like you kind of feel off, like it's like happy, sad, just because you're still straightening yourself out, your energy's out. And the sword's energy is going to help you with that. Your sword's energy is going to help you with that. Just continuing to speak your truth in a creative way. Because the Prince of Wands here, I really feel like this is you. Like, you're just creating with your visions here. Just creating with your visions, connecting to your spirituality and your happiness and even your sadness. But it's allowing you to move from tension to motion. It's restoring balance. Like, I feel like this, when you're just like conquering your fears, it's like it's nothing. Like, ooh, I'm just doing this. Feels good. Feels sad, but hey, we're going. We're going. Alright, let's see what's being activated. This is incredible. Karma. I must read you the message directly from the book, because this is what I was feeling from this card. And it's a beautiful message. The starseed has come full circle. Step by step, lesson by lesson, she or he has explored the life process and grown into the human experience. From each example, the keys of life had to teach. Just as now, she is outgrowing it, preparing to return to the stars. But first, it is a time of reckoning, a time of facing the karma created through the journey. While religions teach us that this is the moment when the almighty judgmental God weighs our goods and bad deeds to determine our cosmic fate, Starseed knows that we will stand only before ourselves. Throughout our lifetimes and beyond, answering only to the karma we have created. Cause and effect shown to us in other moments on the path are once again our esoteric model, as they were in the key of divine justice. Divine justice. And that's what this is about for you. And that's why you've connected to your spirituality and you are speaking your truth in such a creative, beautiful way. It's just, I can feel how uplifting and what, like, you know, visionaries are what inspire us. People that can really create through sorrow and make it a very beautiful, happy space for us to vibe in. That's inspiring. Healing is inspiring. Beautiful. Peace. Look at the imagery in both of these decks. These are completely different decks. We have the Starseed Tarot, and we have the Chakra Oracle. You're creating peace through your crown chakra. Now, this peace card is really all about finding peace within, spending time with Mother Earth, and really, you know, we're all searching for peace, but not searching for it, just actually doing it. You just spend time with Mother Earth, find peace within, and allow that purification process that you really find when you are in meditation, whatever way that works for you. You know, some of us read, some of us write, some of us create. You could exercise, you could dance, meditation, yoga, but just time with Mother Earth and just sitting there with the elements and being surrounded by all the sounds in nature, it really restores you. And that's what this is about. This is about restoring peace, because you've done all this work here. And this card even directly speaks about like you actually feeling out of balance, but what gets you back into balance and flow is the peace, peace that you actually create within, and it's connecting to your crown chakra. But I really feel like there's one more message. I feel called to get one more card. The tree agrees. Forgiveness, creativity, and divine wisdom. And I really feel like that's a direct message to keep you going forward here in motion. Connecting to your heart, forgiving, sacral chakra healing here with creativity, whether, that be all the ways we just discussed. Creating is such a Piscean thing to do. And divine wisdom. And this is connecting to the soul star. And that is really being able to create with our experiences and all that divine wisdom that we have access to. So this would make sense, because the soul star, we have our crown, and then we have the soul star. This is beautiful. All these chakra messages are connected to the happiness and the chariot. But this has to do with your spirituality. I am inspired. I am inspired myself. I want to thank you for joining me here. I'll see you July 2nd for that total solar eclipse in Cancer reading. Take care.